a fan of the bartender before you became a part of the family?
Actually, no. I wasn't a fan. I would watch one and two. Years ago, it just started in what's the thing called? The sickness everybody
Corona,
no,
the,
yes,
the COVID
yes,
pandemic.
COVID. I started to look at it at that time when it just started, but after a while I stopped, and I was reintroduced to it um, about a year after. By Orville Hall. He said he wanted me to do something, so I said I better watch, and that's how I started to watch, and I really got in tune to the bartender. That's how.
And how has it been on set with the bartender
Oh my
family?
gosh, that's my relaxing zone. When I go on set, that's when I relax. Everybody's fun and welcoming. It's just been awesome. And I'm not saying that because but on
Yeah.
TV, no. May I tell you, Tony has really become my child.
I know you just be a mother, but please, make me watch my plate them.
Me now I call my daughter house and I see two little things them nice sing and I decide to watch it.
What has been the most challenging scene you've had to film?
Oh my gosh. Wow. There's not only called challenging. Emotionally, with my son, that was hard. The scene with my son when they were interrogating me in the room, that was very challenging for me. It was very, yeah.
If I tell you, say, I never want it. It's a lie. You know your father's there. And take you from me. I beg me, please.
And is there any scene that you played that you had challenges with, playing the Maureen character?
Everyone. A joke. I'm just kidding. In this, when they introduced Bull, that I found it was hard. It was difficult for me to do that.
Sweaty?
It's Maureen Campbell. Nice meeting you. Have a seat.
You?
Want something to drink?
No, I'm good. I'm fine. Some people know why and some people might not know why. But yeah, it was hard.
Understand. What's the most funniest moment you've had on set?
Oh, she's a little girl. Holy
List one. There must be one specific one that stands out.
It's too much. Oh God, I'm gonna have to think. But sometimes when we were doing the scene and we forget the lines, or you say something that is nothing to do with what we are talking about, and it's funny. We have a lot of fun on the set. So I have many. You can't pinpoint and say that one. Many.
Oh, really?
Somebody even question, man. Job.
How has your character evolved over the course of the series?
I think Maureen got more in touch with her emotions, because when she came in, she was very raw, aggressive because of her background. You can't tell me nothing to frighten me. All right, come on, don't tell you, so I don't want to involve in this. You force me. But getting into a relationship with Tony and my daughter, I think it has softened her a bit.
What's the size that trigger for you? Sorry.
She's trying to make herself better. So I like that.
Awesome. How do you prepare yourself to play the Maureen character?
Okay. Actually, the Maureen character is coming from many people. Me not get defensive, young lady, but you question me like me's your picnic. Anyway, here, I'll bring this for you. People who have known, parents that I've known and heard about, I draw from many. So when I'm coming to do this thing, I read the script and I think, how would this person say this? Or something like that. So that is how I prepare when I'm on my way coming to film.
Apart from the bartender, is there anything else that you are involved in?
Wow. Okay. My career, I'm a teacher. I teach at the Innswood High School. Yeah. And I also am involved in the JCDC Festival Queen competition. I'm also involved in JCDC with the Grand Gala. I'm usually a stage manager. I'm also involved in rugby. I manage the under 18 national team. I also manage the female team. So many things. But I'm like my father. We love many things. We're a sports family, a arts family. Una dance, act, sing. We love art. We have artists. So it's in my blood. So I do many things.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So that means you can teach me how to play rugby?
I can teach you the principles of rugby. My mama said, "My manager, I never coach." Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
All right. I tried. You said you were a teacher. Which category to be exact?
Oh, I'm a theatre arts / drama teacher at the Inter High School. I'm also the head of the department. So I head the visual and the performing arts department.
Being a teacher and also a part of the bartender cast, does this interfere with your personal life?
It doesn't interfere with my personal life, but I like to be busy. I love to always be doing something, and that's what it does. If it's time management, have time for work, have time for work, bartender, have time for your personal things we have to do otherwise. Yeah, man, that's it.
While we are on the personal life topic, who is Alafia Noel?
Oh my gosh. Excuse me? Miss Busy, Miss Inna Everything, me that. Anyway, I'm a mother of two big women. One is 24 and the other one is 22. Very proud of them, doing very well. I also I don't know if it's called it now. Girlfriend of a young girl, huh?
Yeah.
So me what?
Why?
Don't you say? Yeah.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
I have a partner who's very understanding, very understanding, caring, and always supporting, and that's very important. You have to have somebody in your corner,
Yeah.
Yeah, not fighting, but encouraging. So I feel very blessed, very
Awesome.
blessed.
And being a part of the bartender, playing the Maureen character, what is it like for your kids to watch you in that state?
They don't watch.
Why?
Mommy, Mommy, don't want to see you so. Because I'm not nothing like that at all. So they don't watch. Maybe sometimes I have to force. Watch, look. Watch me.
With that being said, what is the difference between Maureen character and Alafia Noel?
Woo! Some things that Maureen says, Alafia Noel will never say it. She's very Maureen raw. What you say? Hey boy, don't ramp with me. You answer me, you threaten me picnic life. I know you want to come look her. Hey, don't make me disrespect you one time. Me aggressive enough, but not like that. That's the difference between me and Maureen. You understand me?
If your character could have a catchphrase, what would it be?
A catchphrase, Maureen. Little girl. I always said called Tonian. Little girl. Something like that. I say something like that. We say, little girl, you mad? So little girl. Yeah, that's the catchphrase. Little girl! Oh, I'm there.
If you could change character with any other member, who would it be?
And when you drop down, let me say so. We have two people. Can I say two?
Yeah.
I don't like to be whisper. man. When I love me Patsy. I love Patsy, but I love that show, yeah. I love a girl, I love the girl bad. You see the teacher when that talk about? You ever look on her? And I acted with her once and it was the best scene I've ever done as for me. When we were in the shop and we had the confrontation. And the best me, I might seen that. For the whole bartender, yeah, Patsy my girl.
You know, say if you're going to play the Patsy character, you have to know to set the foot them.
You see her foot them? I can't set it, my girl. See there? It's sick right now, but I have to walk. Yeah. Damn! Have it, man.
How long have you been a part of the bartender cast?
I joined the cast, I think it was late 2023. I said, oh, yeah, late. So I'm with them nearly 2 years.
Good. And what advice would you give someone who wants to do acting or anything that has to do with drama, just being out there, gaining that experience?
Well, this is something I tell my students a lot who wants to be, it's more of become an actress or actor. If you're serious, study. You have to go to school, know everything about it. You understand me? Find ways that you can get involved in theater, in drama, or in anybody you know. For go do something, go on stage, make yourself see, go and introduce yourself to people. You understand me? Be brave about it. Be confident.
Yeah.
That's what I tell you.
That is what a lot of us don't have, the confidence. Yeah. Do you have any memorable interaction with fans throughout the series?
Oh, many. One day, I was in the supermarket minding my own business, shopping. Maureen! Loud. Like the person in the wheel bottom on the next aisle. Maureen! So I never register, because I do my Alafia thing. Maureen! I'm saying, oh shit, what? Yes? As well as you're not left boy! You're not left boy! You see boy, I can't. The woman traced me off, rotten. Say me not left boy. Come see boy scam me.
This morning, I woke up today and this morning. In the morning, I woke up this morning, I woke up.
So, do you get that a lot?
I hold. Stop what's wrong with me. And I find that a lot of security guards watch the bartender. Yeah, sometimes it helps. When they go somewhere and say, Maureen, hi, come out the line, man. Woo, it's sweet me.
Oh my God! Wow!
So, you hear that, people? Alafia Noel, aka Maureen. Listen, when I don't let her in the supermarket again, she use her.
No! God, please, no! No! No!